So hey awesome people, welcome to the channel again. And in the previous part of the journey, you saw our journey from New Jalpaiguri to New Coach Bihar. And in this part, as you can see, the loco is being changed from the Vadodara WP7 uplink to Shiliguri Junction WP4B. And now we are departing New Coach Bihar around 18 to 19 minutes late. As you all may know, we are traveling from New Jalpaiguri to New Bongaigaon on 05959 Howrah Dibrugarh Kamrup Express. Those who do not know, please watch the first part, leaving the link in the description. And as you can see, we are leaving New Coach Bihar, so enjoy the track sounds. I'll meet you later. So as you can see, we are now departing New Alipurdwar, and there is the Howrah WAP4 and Siliguri WDP4D with Shialda New Alipurdwar Tistadrusha Express, which will be going back to Shialda after 2 hours. So the train is preparing for its return journey, and now we started from New Alipurdwar and we are heading towards the Shamuktala Road junction. That station is known as the junction because the line which goes from New Jalpaiguri to Shiliguri Junction, New Mal Junction, Alipurdwar Junction meets there. As you can see, this is the line that is coming from Alipurdwar Junction. As the proof is, because there is no overhead wires or electric poles there, we are on the up track, the down track is on that side, and this is the line from Alipurdwar Junction. So as you can see, now we are approaching the Shamuktala Road junction, and the Alipurdwar line, the New Jalpaiguri Shiliguri Junction Alipurdwar junction route has met here, and the train which crossed just now was the 02503 Dibrugarh New Delhi Rajdhani Express via Lucknow Monanhat. So yeah, enjoy the skip of Shamuktala Road. I'll meet you later. So after 2 minutes halt, we are finally departing Kamakhya Guri. We are now running around 25 minutes late, and the train which passed us was the Kamakhya Dr. Ambedkar Nagar Weekly Express with the Siliguri Junction WDP40. So after a continuous run of 110 kilometers per hour and some high speed crossings and skips of stations, we are finally arriving at Fakiragram Junction. The station is known as Junction because a line from Dhubri meets here at this station. The train which I made a vlog just recently, 07526, sorry 525, the Siliguri Junction New Bongaigaon DEMU fast passenger, that also passes through that road. I mean, that train comes from New Bongaigaon via Kokorajhat to Fakiragram, then it turns in direction towards Dhubri, then at Dhubri after loco reversal it again goes towards New Coach Bihar. So yeah, we are arriving at Fakiragram and it's a mainline platform, so if we were to skip this station it would be good because yeah, it is a big station. So whatever, we are departing Fakiragram and our next stop is Kokorajhat station. So now we are approaching Kokradhat. This is also a mainline platform station, and it's a pretty important station as the Rajdhani Express and many other premium type trains or fast trains all stop here. But yeah, not all trains like the Saraighat Express and Dibrugarh Amritsar Express, they skip the station. But yeah, many trains, many important trains like the Rajdhani, all the three Rajdhanis passing through here. There are actually four Rajdhanis, the Agartala Rajdhani, and except that Rajdhani, every Rajdhani which passes through this station stops. So yeah, we are finally at Kokradhat, and only 30 kilometers are left from New Bongaigaon. So now we are crossing Shalakati station, and not many trains stop here. But the station has some more to it, not only a small station. As you can see, there are many tracks because a full-fledged thermal power plant lies behind the station. So you enjoy the skip, and we will be meeting with the Siliguri Junction WDG4D led Dibrugarh Kanyakumari Vivek Express. So enjoy the skip. So now we are departing Dangtal station, and only 4 kilometers are left from New Bongaigaon. But actually I guess 0 kilometers are left because just from the outer of the Dangtal station the New Bongaigaon freight yard begins. So you enjoy the track sounds. I will meet you later. So here we are at the outer of the New Bongaigaon, and you can see the Dimapur Bengaluru LHB parcel, which is running around 5 to 6 hours late, is departing with the Siliguri Junction WDG4 from New Bongaigaon as we simultaneously arrive. We are now around 25 to 30 minutes before scheduled time because yeah, there is a slack between Kokradhat and New Bongaigaon. It's 30 kilometers distance. Trains covered it in 25 to 30 minutes, but there is a slack because this train is scheduled to cover that 30 kilometers of distance in 1 hour and 10 minutes. So yeah, because of that slack we are around 25 to 30 minutes before the scheduled time. So you enjoy the track sound until we enter platform number 4 of New Bongaigaon station. So the name of this small river is to Nia river. And it's very interesting that in India only this is a major station where a literally full-fledged river flows through the station. I mean, you saw that it was behind this platform, but if you see the platform number 1, 1A and 1B, those three platforms are the river flows under those platforms because they were made much later than these. So yeah, and in front of us there is the Guwahati New Bongaigaon passenger. So our journey ends here. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe the channel. Jai Hind and God bless you. Meet you in the next video.